TravelingMel.com.
Hello from Inverness, Scotland. We are here to show you a bunch of things that you can do here in the capital of the Highlands. Inverness is a pretty old city. It started at least around 500 AD, and it's not very big, but it's pretty dense and beautiful, but has about 50,000 people. Sorry, I'm so excited about Inverness. And we're gonna start up here at the castle, and it is used as an administrative building now, but it's a beautiful, beautiful building, and it's a great place to get a start for your tour of the city because we're right up above the River Ness, hence the name Inverness, and you get a good view from here. It's a great place to watch the sunset too. So let's see what else we should see in Inverness today. If you're in Inverness and it's not a Monday, you should come to the Inverness Museum and Art Gallery, and it's supposed to be a pretty interesting museum that celebrates Highland culture and art, and there are local artists and crafts as well as people from farther afield that are on display here. Away in all these old buildings is the Abertaff House, which is the oldest house in Inverness, and it was built in 1593, so it's seen a lot of history. And inside the displays show kind of a history of the house, but also of Inverness.
It's part of the National Trust.
And it is part of the National Trust for Scotland, so if you've got one of those passes, you can get in with your pass. One of the really cool things to see here in Inverness is Leakey's bookshop. It's full of used books and 2 stories and a spiral staircase, and it feels like maybe Harry Potter should buy books there. Whin Park is a great place to bring the kids on a nice sunny day like today, or any day when you just need to get out some energy. There's a lot going on up here. There is a ice rink and a water park and playing fields and crazy golf, which is like putt-putt golf, and a skate park. So much you can do. We got here, or you can get here, by taking the 2-mile trail, which is a thing to do in itself, that goes along the River Ness. It goes up one side and crosses, and then up the other side, and there's some islands you can go across. So that would be a second thing to do in addition to Whin Park. One of my favorite stops, regardless of where we are, is always the Botanical Gardens. And we're here at the ones in Inverness. I believe it's free, or at least there's no one to pay when you come in. It's kind of a smaller botanical garden, but it looks really fun and like a variety of plants here. Everything from tropical to cactus to carnivorous and sensory garden. So there's kind of something for everyone. As I said before, there's this trail that kind of goes along both sides of the river, and it crosses over onto some islands that are right in the middle of the River Ness, which is where we are now, and it's really beautiful. It kind of feels like you're out in the woods here with all these big trees and the river. There's someone idyllically fly fishing up here. Just really nice respite from the city. The Inverness Cathedral, or St. Andrews, is another must-see in Inverness. It's this Gothic revival church built in 1869. Really impressive architecture and some beautiful stained glass on the inside. It's big, it's cathedral-esque, and it's a church, so if you love churches, you're gonna love this. We're gonna pop around back because there is a cafe which is a great place you can sit outside and have a little snack. So we always recommend making a stop for ice cream, or in this case, waffle sticks. We found this cute little pop-up place or food trucky kind of place right on the edge of the river, and you could get coffee or tea here too if that was your thing. It's great for a little break and then sit by the river and watch it flow by. If you have some time, you should come down to Eden Court. It's a theater and cinema and performing arts center. There's some galleries in there and a restaurant, but it would be a great place to see a show, whether that's a movie or something live. And there's some interesting art right here in the courtyard if you want to just take a peek in. These are just a few of the things you can do in Inverness, Scotland. We recommend you get yourself over here and check it out in person. But thanks for watching. We have lots of other videos from other places we've been that might be entertaining to you. And if you could like this and share it, and if you'd like to leave a comment, and we would love to hear from you, you can go to TravelingMel.com and leave a comment in the blog post that I'm sure will be up at any moment about things to do in Inverness. Thanks.